Ready? Start. The way proviso contained in Order 7th Rule 11 CPC is worded, even the power to extend the time for payment to pay requisite court fee has been restricted to a large extent, which means that in any case there is no power to grant total exemption from payment of court fee. Of course, in the impugned order, it has been observed that on the success of the plaintiff, the balance amount of requisite court fee can be deducted from the decretal amount, yet one cannot lose sight of a possibility of failure of the plaintiffs in the suit. In that event, how will the court fees be realized? The law does not envisage such a situation. The nature of the suit before the court attracts the appropriate provision of the Court Fees Act, and there can be no escape from payment of the requisite court fee. The only other course which is open to a plaintiff in case of lack of means to pay the requisite court fee is to approach the court under Order 38 of the Code of Civil Procedure as an indigent person. In that event, an inquiry into the means of the applicant is envisaged, and after the court is satisfied that the plaintiff does not have sufficient means to pay the requisite court fee, his petition can be tried as a suit under Rule 10. Where such a plaintiff succeeds in the suit, the court shall calculate the amount of court fee payable by the plaintiff as if he had not approached the court as an indigent person. Such amount is recoverable by the state government from the party against whom the plaintiff obtains a decree in the suit, the amount being first charged on the subject matter of the suit. Under Rule 11, where the plaintiff fails in the suit or the suit is otherwise withdrawn or dismissed on account of some default on the part of the plaintiff, the court shall order the plaintiff to pay the court fee which would have been payable by him if he was not permitted to sue as an indigent person. Thus, Order 33 CPC is a special provision for indigent person. In the present case, the plaintiffs have not come under Order 33 of the Code, and therefore they cannot avail of this special procedure contained in the said provision. The effect of the impugned order is that without even invoking the procedure prescribed under Order 33 CPC and without going through the inquiry into the means of a plaintiff approaching the court under that provision, the plaintiffs have got the benefit contained in that provision. A question may arise as to whether the benefit of Order 33 CPC can be extended to any plaintiff like the plaintiffs in the present case, even though he/she does not choose to invoke the said procedure. The answer is obviously in the negative. Without invoking the special provision and complying with the special requirements contained in the rules framed under Order 33 CPC, no plaintiff can seek to take advantage of this special procedure. There are so many formalities and requirements associated with an application for permission to sue as an indigent person under Order 33 CPC, and they cannot be allowed to be bypassed. Thus, when a plaintiff approaches the court in the normal course, that is, without recourse to the provisions of Order 33 CPC, she has to comply with the relevant provisions of the Court Fees Act and the Code of Civil Procedure. Stop.